Welcome to the new and improved Auction and Book Sales Archive, or ABSA. ABSA brings together millions of rare book and manuscript auction records into one searchable research platform, helping booksellers, collectors, appraisers, librarians, institutions, and auction professionals better understand value, scarcity, provenance, and market history. At the heart of ABSA is the search experience. You can begin with a simple keyword search, an author, title, publisher, illustrator, item type, or even descriptive term, and quickly browse matching auction and sales records. Search results give you a clear overview of matching records, including key sale information such as title, description, auction date, source, lot number, and realized price. From here, you can scan the market history for a particular work, edition, creator, or auction house. ABSA's filtering tools help you move from a broad search to a focused set of comparable records. You might narrow by date range, auction house, price, format, or any other available fields. This is especially useful when you're trying to compare like with like. For example, similar editions, similar condition, similar provenance, or similar sale contexts. Each individual record contains the details available for that item, giving you more context than a price alone. Depending on the record, you may find bibliographic descriptions, provenance notes, references, condition information, auction details, and other identifying information. This context is essential because in the rare book and manuscript market, two records with similar titles can represent very different objects. One of the biggest improvements to ABSA is the ability to move beyond individual records and see broader patterns in the data. New graphing and analytical tools help you understand trends over time, compare sales activity, and identify outliers or clusters in the market. These tools are designed to help answer questions like, how often does this material appear? Has the market changed over time? Which sales are the most comparable? And what does the historical record suggest about scarcity and value? ABSA is becoming more than a search box. As the platform grows, records can be explored through relationships, connecting authors, auction houses, subjects, editions, collections, and other meaningful data points. This makes it easier to follow the history of a work, compare related material, and discover records you may not have found through keyword search alone. ABSA is built to support real research workflows. Whether you are preparing an appraisal, researching a collection, cataloging material, or following a market category, ABSA is designed to help you return to the information you need. We're excited to share this new version of ABSA with you. This relaunch is an important step in making rare book and manuscript auction data more accessible, more useful, and more connected. Thank you for being part of the ABSA community. To get started, log in, run your first search, and begin exploring the new ABSA.